Charlie Johnson here from CJ Coaching. Today I want to discuss how to get your body to uptake food better. Now, particular in a situation where you're looking to try and bulk and you're trying to grow, your body actually utilising and needing to take in the food correctly is the most important thing. There's no point eating food if your body isn't going to accept it. Now, an easy way to think about this is in terms of like intra-workout carbohydrates, which I'm a big fan of. If you make sure these taste good, your body, chances are you want to suck them in, you want to drink them whilst training, you'll enjoy the sugary taste of a nice tasting intra-workout carbohydrate drink. If you've ever tried an intra-workout drink which doesn't taste very nice, you'll really struggle to drink through the session, probably makes you feel a bit bloated, a bit gassy, you probably won't enjoy it. Now, the same thing comes to your actual whole food. If you want your body to digest food better, think about making it taste better. So if you think when you're bulking, you've got no appetite, if you put a dry, plain piece of chicken breast in front of you with a bit of dry, cold rice, does your mouth salivate? Do you feel hungry? Do you want to eat it? No. But if I put a fresh Five Guys burger, fries in front of you, your mouth will start to salivate, you'll start to want to eat, your stomach will start to go thinking, oh, I want to eat this food, I want to digest it. Now that is how you get your body to accept food better, is you make your food taste great. So put the time into making your food taste really good. You don't have to have it as fast food. You can have healthy food and make it taste phenomenal. That is the way you get your body to accept food better, is make you actually enjoy what you're eating. Think consciously when you're eating it, don't rush it down, so don't sit there on your phone texting, typing, smashing food in. If you're a PT, don't like hammer food in between sessions or literally like in 30 seconds inhale it. That is not the way to get your body to digest and take in food better. So first tip would be, make sure food tastes phenomenally good, make sure you love it, make sure you enjoy what you're eating, because if you don't, chances are your body's not going to want to take it up very well. Burger's a perfect example of that. Secondly, take your time when you're eating. So don't rush it, don't throw it down, don't drink a ton of water with it as well, because that will also dilute your stomach acid and it will also cause bloating and indigestion. And thirdly is make sure you chew your food correctly. This may seem incredibly basic and incredibly obvious, but if you think your stomach works on a surface area basis, the more you chew your food, the more it's spread out, the easier it will be for your stomach to break it down and then absorb the nutrients and process it through the gut, through the whole system. An easy way to do this is actually, which I did when I was last bulking and I was starting to struggle digestively, was to use a lot more minced foods. Use turkey mince, steak mince, white fish, which is very easy on digestion. Foods that are almost like part broken down already, because your stomach will be able to digest those foods easier because they're already like broken down, partly almost sort of chewed by their nature. So that is a very easy top tip to give a try. So in terms of taking up your nutrients better, these are my top 3 tips. So make sure food tastes great, make sure you take time when you're eating it, and make sure that you chew your food correctly. Hope these tips help, guys. This will make a big difference whether you're looking to grow muscle or get lean. If you have any questions at all, by all means, please comment below or feel free to reach out to me on any of my social media channels. Hope you have a great day and hope this is helpful.